In front of me is Samsung Galaxy XCover7 Pro, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all typing options. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to click on General Management. Then select Samsung Keyboard Settings. And as you can see, smart typing options are over here. If you want to access more of them, scroll down and hit More typing options under Text shortcuts. Then operate all of those however you want to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!